What amount of heat must be supplied to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram of nitrogen at room temperature to raise its temperature by 45 degrees Celsius at constant pressure? Given molar mass of nitrogen 28 gram and the value of universal gas constant R 8.3 joule mole raised to minus 1 Kelvin raised to minus 1. The equation for heat required equal to mu into Cp into delta T, where mu is number of moles, Cp is molar specific capacity at a constant pressure, and delta T rise of temperature or temperature change. The number of moles, mu is equal to total mass by molar mass. Here total mass is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram and molar mass 28 gram. On converting to kilogram, 28 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. On dividing, we get number of moles mu equal to 0.0714. Now the value of Cp for diatomic molecules equal to 7 by 2 R. On substituting the value of R as 8.3, we get 29.05 joule mole raised to minus 1 Kelvin raised to minus 1. The value of delta T equal to 45 degrees Celsius. On converting to Kelvin scale, the value remains same as 45 degree. Heat required can be calculated using the first equation, that is heat required equal to mu into Cp into delta T. Mu is equal to 0.0714, Cp 29.05 and delta T 45. On calculating, we get the heat required as 93.34 joule.